Okay, we're going to be a little bit risky, and we're going to walk around the park on this lovely evening, despite the fact that, morning, despite the fact that it was raining moments ago. So, hello everybody. This is the first ever vlog of Kirk M, aka myself, aka Sarikdan. I'm an open source game developer, and I'm currently working on a project, several projects unfortunately. I'm always working on way too many projects, but the main focus at the moment is a game called No Place Like. This is a game I'm live streaming development of on Twitch Monday to Friday at 9:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. So if you're around, feel free to check out the link in the description and hit me up on Twitch. Things are going really well on the game so far. I'm really pleased with how development's coming along. We've only been at it since January. However, despite that, we've already got a physics system working, a tile map system working, we've got a point and shoot system working, both with desktop controls with a keyboard and mouse, as well as multi-touch controls for mobile devices, so you can play the game on your phone, on your tablet, on your computer, and you should get relatively the same experience. So that's pretty cool. Other neat things that have happened so far is we've had contributions, code contributions. Because the game is open source, anybody's free to contribute code to it, or artwork, or stories, or whatever. And so what's neat is that we've already had 2 people contribute code to it. A fellow by the username of Emmanuwebs, as well as another fellow named Point Blank Ted. Super awesome, and I am so grateful to both of you guys for contributing code to the project. Emmanuwebs added a preloading, we had a preloader, but he added a preloading bar so you can see the progress of the preloader. Super cool. And Point Blank Ted fixed a bug we were having where the character was just showing up as a black box on mobile instead of actually rendering his sprite and doing things properly. So very cool. And aside from that, okay, so let's roll it back a notch. I guess the next thing for me to talk about would be to tell you what we've got in store for next week, and I've only got about 2 minutes of film left, so I gotta wrap this up quick, because this has got to be a short-ish video. I can't drone on too long like I normally do. That's what the live streams are for. So in the upcoming weeks, aka next week and the weeks beyond, I plan on working on finishing up the sort of skeleton of the game, if you will, the framework into which we're going to pour all the content for the game once we get to that phase. So we're creating base systems for like the enemies, or the characters, or the guns, or the worlds, the levels, all that kind of stuff. We're creating base systems for it now so that when it comes time to actually start creating them for real, it becomes as easy as just populating it with content. I think the wind is going to make for not the greatest audio. I'm just recording using my camera's internal mic. However, that's the plan, is just to continue working on the skeleton of the game, and then once that's in place, we can go full ham on creating all the levels, creating all the content, and actually putting together the final production game. Of course, this game is going to always be continually in development because of its open source nature and the fact that anybody is free to make contributions to it. You simply go to the GitHub page, fork the repository of the game, which is just to say you copy the project to your account, you make any changes you want to your copy of the game, and then you make what's called a pull request and request to merge your changes back into the master copy if you wish to do so. People are also welcome to create their own spin-off games and remixes, and I'm running out of time, so I better wrap this up. But the point is, open source games, things are going well, and I will be continuing development over the coming weeks and so forth. Please, if you don't already, feel free to check me out on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Twitch. I'm on too many things now. I don't even keep track of it all. It's all just getting out of hand, and it's just craziness. But the point is, you can follow me places, and I'm always at SericDen for everything. And I guess I should slip into that I'm on Patreon, and if you feel so inclined, I would very much appreciate if any and all y'all donate, or damn it, I'm not supposed to say donate, but whatever, donate $1 per month to my cause. Doing so will get your name featured in the credits of every single game I ever make, and lots of other goodies that just